New arrivals, how about the 2004 Porsche Boxster S Convertible, Arctic Silver metallic over navy blue? I guess the clock is going to start itself. Ding dong. 99,326 actual miles. Tons of recent service, so that's a good thing. With when you get these German cars, as we've said in the past, make sure that they got good service records, and if they don't, you pay accordingly. Yes, sir. Because there's a lot of things that can go wrong, and you don't want to get a surprise, quickly if you haven't had it well sorted. So, other new arrival, the 1964 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop, tuxedo black over black, rebuilt and worked 409 cubic inch V8, Saginaw 4-speed manual, sinister good looks. Well done, SS Tribute. That's a good-looking car.
That is a good-looking car.
Yeah, a good-looking car. 336 rear.
Yes, sir.
How about the 1967 Dodge Dart GT Convertible, white over black, built 416 cubic inch stroker, worked over A999 3-speed automatic, solid drop-top, show and go, baby.
Advertised as a compact car back in the day with man-sized proportions. That's what it said in the brochure.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Man-sized.
But still remaining posh.
I know,
the 60s.
How about the 1972 Chevrolet C20 Suburban, burnished gold over tan, 5.3 liter LS V8, 4-speed automatic trans, Dana 60 rear, California truck, vintage air, and the Holley Terminator EFI fuel injection, which is really cool. I love that.
It's running through FX Flowmaster mufflers. When I saw this thing being tested out there, I said, that is the truck for me.
Yeah, it's a cool truck.
It sounds great.
Sounds good, and it's an unusual color in a good way.
Yeah, I mean, it's a total sleeper.
Yeah, it really is.
You would not expect that thing to have a 5.3.
No, exactly. How about the 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, silver metallic over medium red, 36,000 actual miles. This is an AACA and NCRS winner, which is kind of unusual for a late 70s. You don't see many of the Corvettes that have those badges of honor.
Yeah.
Numbers matching 350 L48, numbers matching T10 4-speed. This thing is really, it's as nice a 79 Corvette I think as I've ever
I agree. And, we get a lot of C3s in. This is an award winner.
And last but not least, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Yenko Tribute, Le Mans blue over black, well done. Worked 427 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, Unsi M20 4-speed manual. Affordable muscle. You get the look of a Yenko without paying,
Yenko money,
150 grand or whatever.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stuart Howden.